when many of the Sahaba radiyallahu anhum who became Muslim late after the Fath of Mecca were turning to be from the essential leaders of the Muslim Ummah. Some of them being Abu Sufyan. Abu Sufyan, many people know him, especially people that just watch movies and they don't actually learn. They have a very negative image of Abu Sufyan because they watch The Message, which I don't recommend, by the way. Don't watch these movies. I know it may be fun, but you don't want to think of Anthony Quinn when you think of somebody like what the Sheikh was talking about, Hamza, the Asad of Allah, the Lion of Allah, the leader of the Shuhada of Jannah. You don't want to think of some kafir actor. Now they have cartoons of prophets. You don't want to look at some AI-generated image when you think of Musa alayhi salam or Yusuf alayhi salam. This is against the honor of such people. So Hamza radiyallahu anhu, he was from the Shuhada, he became Shaheed early. Abu Sufyan at that time was an enemy of Islam. Khalid ibn al-Walid, at that time, even into Khandaq, at Uhud, he was an enemy of Islam. But Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala guided them. And when Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala guided them, He made them from the great warriors and leaders of Islam. Even though they came to Islam very late. Khalid ibn Walid, we all know about Sayfullah, the sword of Allah, and his amazing battles against the Persians and Romans, but he became Muslim very late.